Dzień dobry, hello friends. My name is Kiran and I am a creator, director, editor of Pepper and Chili. I am extremely happy to meet you guys and I want to share my happiness with you. And so I have something. Let me show you my new shooting gadget. It is a GoPro Hero 10 Black.
Actually, I had already unboxed it, and further I realized that you have become my family, and this unboxing is also a part of your life as mine, and that would make me double happy, right? This GoPro is come up with a very nice travel case. It is just an instruction. This is the GoPro device, camera. This is the button for turning off and turning on. This is USB cable for charging and transferring the files. It's a battery. It is a mounting buckle, head mount kit, and a thumb screw for mounting the buckle. This is it. GoPro comes with 5 important accessories, and this is some information on how to install GoPro and how to use it. GoPro device really look beautiful, nice. It is too convenient to use, hyper smooth, water resistance, and come with a very nice travel case. This is just a closer look of accessories. So have a look on it. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Enjoy your shooting.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye guys.